all, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Roshan Singh of 6th standard in Government Middle School, Bijapur. Today I want to present a speech on World Environment Day. We all know we are celebrating World Environment Day on 5th June every year. Environment is no one property to destroy. It is everyone's possibility to protect. Today, we have to celebrate an important day, World Environment Day. This day is celebrated especially to consider the issues related to the environment and to solve environmental problems. Our purpose behind celebrate World Environment Day is to protect natural environment. You know, globally 91% of the world population is exposed to unhealthy levels of pollution. More than half of the global population is exposed to very low air. The majority of them live in India and China. Pollution is the largest environment cause of disease and death in the world today. Modern research warns us the environment pollution is responsible for 9 million deaths per year. The environment is the very necessary to lead a healthy life. Our environment shapes a very important of human life because air, water and food are basic requirements of life. Due to high temperature, changing weather and decreasing water supply, the plants are becoming unhealthy. Friends, we need to take effective steps to reduce the rate of climate change and save many natural resources for a better life on Earth in the future. I am happy to mention that the World Environment Day has been successful uniting people and making them aware of several environmental causes. We should be promoting natural fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer, reducing electricity usage, recycling of things and prevention of decreasing effective steps related to promote protecting wild animals have to be taken. Our positive steps will prove that helpful in resolving environmental issues in the near future. If we protect and preserve our environment, we can only ensure good health and long life to our future generation. Usage of any chemicals harmful to the environment. We should apply eco-friendly products to eliminate this problem. I conclude my words by a simple message. The nature is the art of good. We should conserve the beauty of nature. Yes, and it is the duty of us. Save tree, save water, stop pollution, save animal. Thank you and have a nice day.